She's understandably wary of new faces, but baboons are helpful neighbors. Palm nuts make a delicious breakfast for the weary warriors. Now they can rest. Binti's so tired she falls asleep standing. Taji's not napping. She's listening. Taji can't tell who it is or what they're saying from so far away. But something's up and she wants to go to them. They rumble back and forth, discussing, negotiating. Though the outcome is clear enough, they go. The family trusts in Taji. She draws on ancient wisdom, passed down from matriarchs before her.